Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As you know, on this channel I make videos on math and physics concepts and we solve some examples. So please share and subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss any video. So in today's video I'm gonna go over how to show inequalities on a number line, and we're gonna write them in interval notations. Okay, so we're gonna show inequalities on number line and write their interval notations. We're gonna do a couple of examples. So these are some examples, here are some more, and this page has some more. So basically we're gonna cover all kind of inequalities, all kind of possibilities you'll see on a test or exam or on your homework. Okay, so let's do the first one over here. So this says x is greater than 2. So x is greater than 2, that means we are here, this is 2, and we make an open circle when there is just greater than or less than sign. Okay, so as it is greater than 2, so we're gonna go towards the right hand side. Let me show you. So we're gonna go to the right hand side. That's how we can show that on a number line. So this basically x greater than 2, and 2 is not included. And when we are writing it in an interval notation, so x is greater than 2, so 2, and it's going to the right to the infinity, and we use these round parentheses. Okay, and for infinity we always use the round parentheses, but for less than or equal to sign we use round parentheses. But if it is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, we use a square bracket. I'm going to show you that in this example. Okay, let's do the second one. This one says x is greater than or equal to 2, and whenever it is equal to sign there, we use solid circle. Okay, here it is open because just the greater than sign, and here the equal to sign is there, so 2 is included in the solution set, so we're gonna make a solid circle and 2 is included, and that's how we can show that on number line. Okay, and in interval notation, as I said, if equal to is there, we use square bracket, so it is 2, and going up to infinity to the right, around parentheses. Okay, and let's do this one. X is less than 3, so this is my 3 over here, as just the less than sign, no equal to, open circle, and we're going to show it on number line. So less than 3, that means we're going to go to the left. Everything to the left is less than this 3, so that's how we're going to show it on number line. Okay, and interval notation, so it's going to the left forever, so negative infinity and 3, and infinity always around parentheses, as this 3 is not included, just less than sign, so round parentheses. Okay, let's do one more. X is less than or equal to 3, that means 3 is included, we're gonna use a solid circle, and we are going to the left again, and so that's how we can show it on. Do it again. So there you go. And in interval notation, it'll be like negative 3 and 3, and infinity always around, and this 3 is included, as there is an equal to sign, we're gonna use a square bracket. Okay, so that's how you can do the interval notation, and you can show the inequalities on number line. Let's do a few more. And these inequalities, where you see 2 or more inequalities in one statement, we call them compound inequalities. Okay, and there is a or, so that means either condition must be satisfied. Okay, either this or this, so all the solutions are included. Or you can say like the solution set of this type of compound inequality consists of all the solution sets of each inequalities. Okay, And when we join these solution sets, it's called the union. Okay, so let's show them on number line. First of all, x is less than 2. My 2 is here, so just less than sign, open circle, and it is represented by this on the number line. That represent your x is less than 2. Okay, let me write the interval notation for that. So less than 2, so going forever to the negative side, negative infinity, comma, and 2, and again open circle, just less than sign, so we're going to use a round parenthesis. And then the second part says x is greater than or equal to 5. Equal to is there, that means 5 is included, so solid circle at 5. So 5 is included in the solution. And starting from 5 to the right, going to the right. Okay. And in interval notation, it is written as 5 positive infinity. Okay, to show like and to join these solution sets, we use union. There you go. Let's do number 7. So this says x is less than 2 or x is greater than negative 2. So first of all, I'm going to show x is less than 2 over here. Where is 2? So 2 is here. Less than 2 is going to go to the left. And open circle, because there is no equal to sign, less than 2. And it is represented by this on the number line. Alright, and then it says x is greater than negative 2. So negative 2 is here, negative 2 is here, and greater than negative 2 means we're gonna go to the right forever after negative 2 up to infinity. Okay, so that basically represent x is greater than negative 2. And if you look carefully, x less than 2 and greater than negative 2, and we look both of them, if we count all the solutions here, that means we are going to the left forever and to the right forever. So that means the solution for this one is like to the left and to the right forever. Okay, so in interval notation, so basically this is your x is less than 2 or x is negative 2. So in interval notation, negative infinity to positive infinity, and we're going to use the round parentheses because there are infinities. Okay, let's do one more over here. This says x is less than or equal to 2, sorry, negative 2. So this is the point, and solid circle as there is a equal to, and less than negative 2. That means, let me write it down, x is less than or equal to negative 2. So we are going, my bad, this direction. Okay, so that represent your x is less than or equal to negative 2. Then let's do x is less than 4. So x is less than 4. Where is my 4? 4 is here, and less than, that means just an open circle, and we're gonna go towards the left and again because it's less than 4. So start from here, I'm gonna go to the left forever to the infinity. Now if we look carefully, this first inequality is included in the second one. So when you say x is less than 4, that also cover x is less than or equal to negative 2. That means this part is already included in this one. So my ultimate inequality, which is x is less than or equal to negative 2 or x is less than 4, is starting from here, I'm gonna go towards the left hand side forever. So that is how we can represent this compound inequality on the number line. Okay, and can be written as, so as we are going to the left to the infinity, so negative infinity, and 4 is not included because just less than sign, no equals, we're going to use round parentheses. Okay, so that's how you can write the inequalities with or. Okay, I'm gonna do more, and in the next couple of examples we're gonna work on and inequalities. So that's where you'll see and. So x is greater than or equal to -2 but less than 4, or can be written as x is greater than or equal to -2 and x is less than 4. So let's do it piece by piece. So let's write x greater than or equal to -2. Okay, so where is my -2? -2 is here. Okay, and equal to sign, that means it's going to be solid, and x is greater than or equal to -2. That means we are going towards the right hand side. So that's how you're gonna show your solution. The second part says x is less than 4. So here, open circle, less than 4, gonna go to the left. Okay, so this part is your x is less than 4. Now look carefully. Let's say if I pick x is equal to 5, right? For first inequality, it is okay, but for the second inequality, we can't have x is equal to 5. Okay, and now let's say if I say x is equal to -3. For this inequality, we can find x is equal to -3, but not for this one. So our solution is, or all the possible values of x bounded by -2 and 4. So our solution is between these points. Okay, -2 and 4. So like x is equal to 5 is not a solution, or x is equal to -3 is not a solution either. So how we can write this on number line? This part only, between -2 and 4. So let me show you the final solution. So this is basically start from here to there. That's it. Okay, so as this is equal to sign a solid circle here and the open circle here. So this is basically your -2 x less than 4. So this is the solution here. And in the number line, -2 and 4. As -2 is included with the equal sign, we're going to use a square bracket, and 4 is not included, round parentheses. So this is your interval notation for this inequality. X is greater than -2 and x is less than 4. Let's do one more example. Okay, so x is greater than -1. So x is greater than -1. So my -1 is here. So as this is just greater than, no equal, so we're gonna use a open circle, and on the number line, so greater than -1, so we're gonna go to the right forever. Okay, then you got x is less than 3. So this is my 3 over here. Again, open circle because just less than 3. So as it's less than 3, we're gonna go to the left forever. Okay, and now look at this. So the solution is whatever is common between these two, okay, and need to be in both of them. Okay, so let's say if I say x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 is here in the first inequality but not in the second one. So again, this x is equal to 4 is not a solution because it's not in one of the inequalities. So it need to be in both. The solution need to be in both the inequalities because there is and statement. Okay, need to be here and here. For example, if x is equal to 2, so x is 2 is here and it is also over in second inequality over here. Okay, so my solution set or the value of x is bounded by -1 and 3. Okay, so let's show that on number line how we can do it. So -1 and 3, and again both are without the equal sign, so both circles are open circles. So these 2 points are not included. So in notation, so interval notation, so -1 and 3, and both -1 and 3 are not included as there is no equal to sign, so we're going to use round parentheses. So that's how we can write the interval notation for this inequality, which is x is greater than -1 and less than 3. Alright guys, so please practice few more examples. I already cover all the possibilities of inequalities they can ask you, so you should do a couple of more examples with the same inequality. That way you'll be good to go. And please share with your friends and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any other video. Okay, and if you see, we did like 9 examples over here. Please do a couple of more examples, practice. Okay, revise your work. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye bye.